So I'm going to show you how to do the quick unboxing and wireless setup of this printer. Switch on the printer, so press the power button. On the display panel we have to use these keys and do the initial setup. Now select the language, press OK, confirm it. The next step is to install the ink cartridges, and we have to install the setup ink cartridges to use this printer. So let's start with that. Ink cartridge chamber is here, so there are places here. You can see on the side there is a notch here, so both sides, and you have to just lift it up like this and leave it. It will hold itself, and you will see the ink cartridge chamber comes into the middle. Now remove these caps, as you can see here, so that is color and black. Now take the ink cartridges out. Make sure you remove the orange seal which is at the bottom. So the color one goes here, so you simply have to place it here like this and push it a little bit and it will settle in its place. For the black, just place it here, let it go, and now lock with these flaps. To close the ink cartridge chamber door, simply lift it up and let it go, and you will see the ink cartridges are installed. Just go to the display panel to see for further instructions. It says the following ink cartridges have been installed, and we just have to press yes for that, and it says start alignment to improve the print quality, so click on the yes button. The next step is to load the A4 size sheets in the paper tray is at the bottom here, which is the cassette paper tray. Place the A4 size sheets here. And here is the paper output tray. Once the alignment is finished, you will see on the screen it says 1. That means our printer is ready and initial setup is over and we can use it for the copy. So just take these printouts. Now I'm going to show you how to do the wireless setup of this printer, and for that we simply have to go to the setting, click OK, and once we see OK, you will see here LAN setting option, so click on that and click OK. Here we see Wi-Fi setup, Wi-Fi direct setup. So I'm going to show you how to do the Wi-Fi setup. So if you have home or office Wi-Fi network, then you can use it. So click OK on Wi-Fi. Scroll down and click Wi-Fi setup. Here it says manual connect, so click on that. It will search for the available wireless routers in its range. Select the Wi-Fi network you want to connect this printer and click OK. You can enter the password here using this screen, so I'll show you how to do that. To choose the alphabets, smaller and uppercase, also the numbers and special characters, we use this key. Click OK. Go to the next. Click OK once you select alphabet. So this way we can enter the password, and once we enter it, we click on the start button to finish it. You will see it is connecting to the wireless router. Connected to the wireless router, click OK. So this way we can easily connect with the wireless network, and we can simply go back to the home screen, and you will see the Wi-Fi is enabled and it shows up the signal on the main screen. So this way we can do the wireless setting of this printer. Now you can add it in any device for wireless printing and scanning, and then you can enjoy the wireless function. This printer is ADF capable, that means automatic document feeder, and that is here on the top. So you can simply place the pages here to do the multiple scannings at once. It can also do the Wi-Fi direct setup, like using printer's inbuilt Wi-Fi, and for that, if you want to know how to do that, you can just watch my other videos. Now I'm going to show you a simple copy test. So open the top scanner lid, place a page here facing downwards, and for the copy you can simply select here and do the settings. If you are going to use it for color, that is already selected, and you can select the tray and also number of copies from here, and once you are ready, click on the start button. Aya. Thanks for watching.